We'll guide you through how to slow down voice in ElevenLabs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To slow down a voice in ElevenLabs, begin by launching Google Chrome on your desktop or laptop. Click into the search field at the top of your screen, type ElevenLabs, and press the Enter key to start the search. When the results appear, select the primary official link to open the ElevenLabs homepage. Once the site loads, find the Sign Up button in the upper right-hand corner and click it. On the registration page, choose the Sign Up with Google option. Next, select the Google account you would like to use for your new profile. Review the permissions being requested. After checking the details, press Continue to allow the platform to sync with your Google account. Then select 11 Creative as your workspace type and click Continue. Enter your name into the provided field to personalize your user dashboard. Verify that you meet the age requirements by checking the confirmation box. Click Next to continue into the onboarding section. From the referral options listed, choose Newsletter or Blog. When asked how you plan to use the service, select Personal Use. Next, pick Text-to-Speech as your main objective for using the tool. Click the Continue button to move forward to the plan selection page. If you prefer to stay on the free version, simply select the Skip option instead of choosing a paid plan. Your ElevenLabs dashboard will now be active and ready for use. Navigate to the Settings menu on the right side and click the AI Model Selection option. Change the model to 11v2 to enable detailed controls and features. Open the Voice Selection tool by clicking the current voice option in the panel. Browse the available voices and choose the AI voice that best fits the tone of your script. In the text box, type your script, for example. You can have the best camera in the world, and if the light is flat, the shot is dead. It's all about the shadows. That's where the depth is. So, stop overcomplicating it. Just find the light. Adjust speed to 0.80, stability to 62%, similarity to 78%. Keep style exaggeration at 0%. Enable speaker boost. Click Generate Speech, then review and download the audio.